Okay, so here we go. We use amber and vanilla this time, guys. And we are just gonna do, we're not gonna put any flowers. We're just gonna pour it, and I want you to see the consistency. See it pouring? You see that? That's the consistency that it should be when you're pouring your soap in. I'm just gonna fill it up.
Mom, you filled it.
I did. That's okay. We'll fix it. There we go. Get out as much as we can. Smooth it out. Over there. This gives you a little bit more time to work with it too. Like you don't have to feel like you're in a hurry. Okay, I'm gonna get the bubbles out real quick and get a little bit of this soap back in there.
Mom, I want you to dry that up too.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get it all up there. We're gonna try. We'll try. Let's get the air bubbles out first. Did you see an air bubble right there? Alright, now another way I like to do it, we did it, I think Allison and I did it with another soap. It was just to play with the top to make it just kind of textured. That's kind of fun. It starts hardening up a little bit here. We're just going to make this one really simple. Maybe make it look like it has some waves. Go to the beach. And when we cut these tomorrow, we'll videotape that so you can see the difference in all of the bars of soap, like as far as they're smooth and textured. Isn't that pretty? There you go.